Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your EA Sports account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, connect your device to a stable internet connection to avoid sign-in errors. Open your web browser on PC, or open the EA app on Windows, or open the game on your console or mobile device. If you are using a browser, go to EA.com and find the sign-in button at the top right. If you are using the EA app, open it and wait until the login screen appears. If you are signing in inside a game, open the main menu and select EA account or sign in when prompted. On the sign-in screen, choose the method you want to use, such as email, PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, Steam, Apple, or Google. If you select email, click or tap the email option to continue. Type the email address that is linked to your EA account carefully. Click or tap next to move to the password field. Enter your EA account password exactly, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Check that caps lock is off if your password keeps failing. Click or tap sign in to submit your login details. If you see a verification step, open your email or phone messages to find the security code from EA. Enter the verification code on the screen before it expires. If you do not receive a code, check your spam or junk folder and then request a new code. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Your Password and follow the reset instructions. Create a new strong password, save it securely, and then return to the sign-in page. If you are signing in with PlayStation Network or Xbox, select the platform button and confirm the correct console profile. Approve any permission or linking prompts if this is your first time connecting the platform to EA. If the game says your account is already linked, sign in with the previously linked EA account instead of creating a new one. If you recently changed your email, make sure you use the updated email that is now connected to EA. If you get an error message, fully close the app or game and reopen it to try again. Clear your browser cache or try another browser if the website sign-in page is not loading correctly. Disable VPN temporarily if it causes repeated security checks or connection issues. Make sure your device date and time are correct, because wrong time settings can block verification. After signing in, open account settings to confirm your email, username, and link platforms. If you want faster sign-ins next time, enable Keep Me Signed In only on your personal device. Launch your EA Sports game again and verify that your online features and progress are available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.